Let's suppose you have a video and you want to blur some text part in your video. It can be your password, it can be your username or bank details, something like that you want to blur. So in this video we'll see how you can blur that. So I'm going to do this in Wondershare Filmora X. So I have my video here and I want to blur some part of this video, like I have to blur suppose say I want to blur this series. So how I'm going to do is I'm going to go to effects and then I'm going to look for this utility, and here you will see this mosaic blur section is there. So I'm going to drag it here in the video, and if you see, you play this video now, you'll see some blur will be there somewhere. So you can see this area is blurred. So if I move it to the text part, you'll see that text part is getting blurred, and when I play this, that part is blurred, and after that part, that blur will be gone. But as you can see, I have to blur only that series part. So what I have to do is double click on this and I have to adjust this blur to the part only specific to that series text. When the text is gone, I want to remove that blur. So till here you see that blur is there, and I want to adjust that here actually. You can also adjust the amount of blur there using this blur amount. If you reduce it to 0, you can see the text, and if you make it to 100, the blur amount will be full. And opacity also you can reduce or increase. If you make it to 0, 0, all the text will be normal, it seems. And if you make it to 100 here, you will see opacity is 0. So if you make it opacity and blur to 100, it will be totally gone. So you can adjust your blur section by this square. So that's how you can blur your video.